Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a bootable USB drive for Windows 11. So, I'll guide you through two different methods to make your USB bootable. After that, I'll also show you step-by-step how to install an operating system using a bootable USB. This video is perfect if you're planning to install Windows on a new PC, fix a corrupted system, or just want to learn how bootable drives work. So, let's get started.